Okay, so I'm gonna go over how to deal with an i20 error code on a Frigidaire Gallery dishwasher. Now the first thing you wanna do before you get to the point where I'm at is you wanna turn off the power to the unit at the breaker. And you also probably wanna disconnect the drain hose and the water supply hose from, if it's from the floor below, just to make sure you have enough room to pull the unit out without damaging those. You're gonna open it up and look at this, and we're gonna remove the filter and the filter cover. And now you may have had some success in turning off your breaker, waiting about 10 or 15 minutes and turning the unit back on and being able to finish the cycle. But what this is generally it's a pressure switch issue. So in the cases that I've had with it is I've had contamination in the actual channel for the pressure switch to operate. So that is right down here, this little hole here. So what you want to do is you want to clean that out with a Q-tip or a little brush, a pipe cleaner. You want to make sure that the filter screen is nice and clean, as well as the cover. But the next step that I find works better and for longer periods of time is you just want to remove this insulation here. So it's just held in by these series of clips on the side. And we go to the actual bottom of the dishwasher here. So this switch here with the black wires coming out the bottom is the pressure switch that is connected to that channel that I showed you on the other side. I'll put a picture on here because I've already cleaned mine out, but this switch comes off and you want to look on the inside. So when I removed mine previously, there was a lot of buildup in and around the white portion on the inside and in the D-shaped hole. And what that does is it disrupts the, I guess, the reading that the computer is getting, and your pump will just kind of keep running and then it'll trip the code. So once you clean that out, you can just put it back on. It just clips back on very easily. And then you can start up the unit and carry on with your cycle. Now, when you remove this, if there's a bunch of water in the drain hole, it might fill the bottom pan here. And if you don't clean that up, you're gonna get an i30 code from there being water in this bottom pan that then lifts this little float up. And this float is a safety that once it reaches a certain level, the unit will try to keep pumping it out so that this pan doesn't overfill and flood your kitchen or wherever you have your dishwasher.